I have this stainless topped wooden table in the corner of my kitchen for just general office work, paperwork, whatever. And you saw that I put the custom LED light in. Then you saw me do the file hangers. Well, I decided I needed a little drawer mainly for like envelopes, stamps, checkbook, pens, pencils, whatever. So I decided to get myself a drawer. It's an Infin-Key. It had pretty good reviews. They said it was built well. And it was about the right size because I can't have it too wide because it's going to interfere with where I sit. So I got the thing, and I realized that because the table has I guess they're called skirts, you can't just install the drawer. So what I had to do was I slid the sliders apart, and as you can see, those little L brackets, I removed all 4 of the L brackets so that I had just the sliders. Then on the left-hand side of the drawer, I screwed a piece of wood to it, and then using some shims, I furred it out till it cleared the leg. And then I just screwed it into the side of the skirt. On the right-hand side, that was easier. I just screwed the piece of wood into the slider, just like on the other side, and then I used a couple pocket screws to go up into the underside of the top, making sure I didn't go through and dent the stainless. In this image, I've got the drawer mounted. It looks crooked, but that's the camera angle. But it kind of stood out like a sore thumb. So I got out my amber shellac, and I had put a coat of shellac on the table initially when I got it to bring some gloss back to it because it was kind of weathered. So I put 3 coats of the amber shellac, and that got it really close to the rest of the table. Not so much the skirt, but definitely the leg. And so now I have a little drawer that I can pull out and grab whatever I need, and it doesn't affect me sitting on the right-hand side. And I think it worked out pretty good for what that little drawer cost.